have been on the hunt for a fantastic water filtering pitcher. I want super high quality water for myself and my family. In this video, I'm going to unpackage this, put it together, and put it to the test. Let's go. Pulling out of the box, it comes fully sealed. Make sure yours is sealed when you get it. And here is that fancy filter. And then you can see that extremely advanced filter. And look at the fine, fine point it comes out of. Spigot just pops right in. And you do need to twist the filter in because it doesn't want any leaking, any seepage. Now we're completely good to go. I have now filled the top with water and I can see it's already starting to go. I'll track how long it takes for all of that water to go into here, and then we'll test all the water. While waiting, I was looking at how many metals this filters. I am so impressed, and all the inorganic non-metals. Really quite impressed with what it filters. And it only took 5 minutes for it to filter out all the water I put in it initially, but I can tell that I would probably need to refill it at least 2 more times to fully fill the pitcher. So keep that in mind, but that means you'll have a lot of water if you stay on top of it. Now let's test the water. Now I can immediately put this tester right here and it'll give me an instant read as the water goes through it. But for this test, I'm actually going to test it in a cup. Here I have tap water. Next, I'm going to use my current filtration system, which is not fancy. It's Binkotan charcoal, which is meant to pull the impurities out of water. We'll see how well it does. So now let me get some of the ZeroWater. Well, let's test each one. Okay, we're going to start with the tap water in my area. It's a 31. That's not terrible. It can have some impurities in it, but I want to do better than that. So now let's go to my Binkotan charcoal water that I normally drink. 26. So it does improve it, but not very much. Now let's go to the ZeroWater. It is 0. It is truly ZeroWater. It pulled everything out. That is amazing. All right, also, we'll probably just leave this right here. And now whenever I run water through here, it'll test the water, which clearly should always say 0. But if this doesn't say 0, it means it's time for me to look into a new filter. I can tell you right now that I am extremely impressed by this and will be using this moving forward for everything I drink. I cannot believe how it truly pulls everything out. Super impressive. They hold up to their name, ZeroWater.